10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. For today's video, papunta tayo ngayon sa Naga City Sports Complex para sa Isarog International Hot Air Balloon Music Festival dito sa Naga City. Kaninang umaga galing na kami doon kasama yung mga anak namin at manood kami ng pag-fly out ng hot air balloon.
Hi, good morning.
Look, there are
They're runners. There's so many people.
I can't see.
It's outside. Can you see them, Ellie?
See it.
Okay.
I see the hot air balloon.
Yeah, we're going there. We just have to find somewhere to park.
It was so like long way to walk there.
It's okay. We're gonna get there.
That's a bit. Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chico. Yeah. Duck.
Yep.
Okay.
Maraming mga nakapark. Maraming tao. Careful, Ellie. Walk properly. Another minivan. I love you. Look, the sun is up.
Huh?
Look at the moon. It's full moon. You see?
Yeah.
Full
That
moon.
turn on around.
Turn it around. Okay. I love you. Wanna see yourself on the video?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to walk now?
Yeah. Hi, Daddy.
Hi. You have to put on this one, huh?
High five.
Okay.
Come here, come here.
Let's be together.
Oh, hold the camera. Oh, go, go. Not yet, not yet.
Yeah, you have to throw it first. Look at that.
Run.
Wow. There's a balloon already up there, oh. You can try the airplane.
nakahag.
Hi, Ellie. You okay?
Say hi.
Look at them. What are those, baby? I'm so excited. Look, it's an elephant. Look at them. Hugging. Another one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Pero dapat pakaraning mo na kita sa mga na ako.
Cheese.
Did you have fun? Yeah. So hindi na ako nakapag-intro kanina dahil sobrang busy na napakaraming taong gustong manood ng fly out dahil kahapon canceled dahil malakas daw yung hangin. Ngayon yung last day, May 3. So talagang expected na maraming tao. Grabe na naman yung mga nakapark. Meron naman nag-a-assist para sa traffic para hindi masyadong palito yung mga tao.
Sana meron pa.
So guys, nakapag-park na tayo. Ito yung advantage pag maliit yung sasakyan. Dito tayo pinag-park ng guard dahil kasya tayo.
For the major quick events, that's 2-3-day festival.
And two, pero ngayon, pinupisahin natin ang kasi.
Day 3, punong-puno pa rin tayo sa quality ating session natin.
DJ Marvin, natutuwa ako and kuya mo. Ang tao na natututukan ng ating cameras, kunyang aldaw, yung iba nahihiya talaga sila mag-greet ng Happy Mother's Day. At least, ito yung pinakamagandang pagkakataon na i-greet nyo yung mga mama yun habang kasama niyo po sila.
Eto na Barbie, Chichay, hindi na natin patagalin. Simulan na natin ang...
Say, wow! Wow! Very well. Ayan na mo. Sabi ba?
Very good. Stay hydrated everybody, okay? And ito, practice tayo ng Grego. So enjoy our music tonight. And also to the people on your right, kumusta ka? Kumusta ang biyahe?
Thank you so much, guys. Okay pa ba ang lahat? Kumusta kayo, guys? Kumusta ang mga taga-Naga? Okay pa kayo? Very nice! Kasi maraming mangyayari tonight. Exciting ang mga ganap, kaya sit back, relax, or yung mga nakatayo, ano ba? Stand there and relax. Ayun, maraming salamat sa pag-imbita sa amin ngayon gabi. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. At sana nag-enjoy na kayo. Simula pa kaninang umaga. Marami ng activities. So, ayun. So, this is my next song. This is a Bicol song. If you know the song, pwede kayong sumabay kung alam niyo yung kanta to. So, this next song is another original song. And tungkol siya sa mga, ano ba, parang mas kaya mo pang makita ng maligno kaysa makita kang may kasamang iba. So, ganito yung kantang ito. Ano? I love you too. Sana all love. Tubod ka baya sa mga taong ito. This last song is a very special song. This is another original song. This is Multo. Sana magustuhan ninyo. And if you know this song, pwede kayo sumabay. Okay ba yan? Yeah! Gusto ko isigaw niyo kung alam niyo ha. Kung alam niyo yung song, di ko ipipilitan. Last song na namin to, so yes. Kumusta ang biyahe mo kaka?
Marami nanonood sa labas. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa hot air balloon, no? So kanina nandun tayo sa stage, nanonood tayo ng mga artist na nagpa-perform. Pero ngayon, pumunta ako dito ngayon sa hot air balloon. So para mapanood yung fly out nila ngayong gabi. Napakagandang tanawin, no? Orange and lemons na. Takbo pare, takbo. Hi!
Since lahat kami taga Bulacan, and naisipan namin gumawa ng song about that painting, kung sino ba yung babaeng yon sa buhay ni Luna. So this is the result. Hope you like this one. Alam niyo kung anong song yan?
Yes!
Yeah.
Dinugtog namin sa Japan.
Yun na yung next. Pero, may request kami para mas ramdam natin yung awitin. Yeah. Huwag niyong gagamitin to Brad sa kasal niyo. Pwede ba nating diliman yung ilaw? Tapos, ilawan niyo. Kayo ang mag-ilaw. Sa likod! Kaliwat kanan. More! Dito sa kaliwa. Sa gilid! Dito, yung mga nasa loob. Hoy, nasa dulo.
Sa gitna! Oy, may naumula naman ko doon! Oy! Nan, teka. Yan.
Ito, dami.
Ilaw na.
Ito, sa kaliwa. Next week, lipat kami ng Europe. We have a European tour, our first ever. We're visiting 8 countries,
Yes, sir.
12 shows in Ireland, London, Liverpool. Tutugtog kami kung saan nag-start yung Beatles, sa Cavern Club. Birmingham, tapos Geneva, Madrid, Spain, Germany, Norway, Paris, Marseille, saan ba ba? Amsterdam. Ayun. So, excited na kami kung may mga kamag-anak kayo or kaibigan kayo sa mga places na yun. Send nyo yung details. Ang details na sa orangeandlemons.co. That's orangeandlemons.co. Alright? And please do follow our page. Thank you in advance. We are releasing a new album this year, so watch out for
Yung
that.
basis.
Cover muna tayo. How about a song from the Eraserheads?
Stretch! Okay. Zumba tayo, ha?
Para sa lahat ng nasa dulan!
I'd like to address this part to the entire people of Naga City and Camarines Sur. I think we've seen the hot air balloon. We've learned a lot about hot air ballooning, and perhaps we're excited that this will not be the last, and hopefully this will be an annual event. But mind you, if we want to make this an annual event, we need your help. This time, this was for you. Next year, this would be for people from all over the world to see Naga City and Camarines Sur. Right? So, on that note, please join me in thanking our international pilots as they start leaving from midnight. And tomorrow, please give them a big warm of applause. And then finally, as this is the first ever, then expect meron pong mga pagkukulang, meron pong maganda, merong hindi maganda. Pagbigyan niyo po tayo dahil napaka-ikli ng preparation. But hopefully, we all learned that because of this, the skies of Naga will never be the same again. Salamat po and good luck sa inyong lahat. Bago ko makalimutan, palakpakan po natin ang ating gold sponsor, Robinsons, and of course ang ating co-presenter ang Sofia Basketball Team. Salamat po and good evening sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much, Sir Bong Rodriguez.
Wala nang mas masigamong palakpakan na dyan! Ladies and gentlemen,
pilots.
that's our pilot!
Mas malakas ka, sisigaw niyo. One, two, three, go! One, two, three, go! Mas malakas sa may kasamang talon. One, two, three, go! One, two, three, go! Thank you so much.
Sentro Naga. So guys, update. Tapos na yung Isarog International Hot Air Balloon and Music Festival. Ang oras ngayon ay 12:11. Nandito kami ngayon sa Macdo, Almeda. Konting midnight snack lang tayo dahil syempre nagutom tayo dun sa concert. Napaka-energetic nyo. Talagang mag-enjoy kami. Kung sa Bicol, maugmahon na maray. So guys, dito ko na natapusin tong video na to. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Kung nagustuhan nyo, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat po.